Boom! What up? It's your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer! Welcome to a new video. Quick tip today on how to remain still when you have to speak in front of a large audience, or could be a small audience in front of a group, or before a football, soccer game, whatever, any kind of event where you have to stand still but have the urge to move. Because stillness projects confidence. You want to project confidence for the best results. Your confidence can open you many doors because people consciously or subconsciously will see, why is he so calm? What's he hiding? What strength is he hiding? What does he know? How can he remain so calm in a stressful situation? Example, giving a speech in front of a large audience. All you have to do, what could it be? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You just have to wiggle your toes in your shoes. You can wiggle constantly or go slower, faster, how you like, just a little or more extreme, and it works. I'm doing it right now. I'm wiggling. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Help you to remove the urge to move. And don't worry, nobody will look at your feet during a speech. Probably they won't be able to see it when they look from down below and your toes are hiding in your shoes anyways. Trick is really simple, it really helps. Why does it help? Because you're giving in, you're moving, but you're just moving your toes. It's enough. And you can also go further. If you meditate, you can meditate go to a much deeper meditative state. If you don't move, stillness increases the depth of your meditation. You can just imagine wiggling your toes to increase your meditation depth. Also works with holding your breath, for example, underwater, over water, because you give your body something to work with. And from an evolutionary standpoint, why do we have the urge to move? Every life form moves in some way. Human moves, and the parts, something that doesn't move is basically dead. Our cells move, our blood moves, we are permanently in motion. And imagine a situation, if you don't move, it can be stressful, it can remind the body, it's deep-wired in us, of a stressful situation. Because if you imagine in an evolutionary situation, in a Stone Age situation better, when you couldn't move, you're basically in danger. Fight or flee. Wait for the right moment to fight or flee. Survival situation. That's my tip. Try it out. Try it out in situations where you want to remain still, to project that confidence, and also try it while meditating. Write your results in the comments. I'm your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer, and we'll see us in the next video next week.